Hello, hope you guys are doing well. So today let's get started with the LeetCode problem of the day, and it's a medium problem. Its name is maximum total subarray value 1. We are given with an integer array nums of length n. This is my array and its length is n, and in integer k you need to choose exactly k non-empty subarrays. Like we are supposed to choose exactly k non-empty subarrays, nums L2R of nums. Subarrays may overlap. Subarrays may overlap, and the exact same subarray, same L and R, can be chosen more than once. The value of the subarray nums LR is defined as maximum of nums LR minus minimum of nums L2R. The total value is the sum of the value of all chosen subarray. Return the maximum possible total value you can achieve. Let's first understand our problem statement. So, like, this is my nums array that will be given to me, and we are supposed to choose exactly two subarrays, non-empty subarrays from this. And once I have chosen, I'll just do what? Its subarray value will be what? Let's say my subarray is L2R, so I'll take maximum from L2R, maximum of L2R minus minimum of all L comma R. That will be my value. So once I have calculated value for one subarray, I'll calculate for exactly two subarrays, and they can be overlapping, they can be very same, they can be anything, and then I'll find the sum of all those values, k equal to 1 to 2. So this is what my problem is asking me to do. Now the very first thing that comes to our mind, I'll just find a subarray. There will be a subarray with the maximum value, with a maximum value. Can anybody tell me what will be the subarray with this, using this formula that gives us maximum value? Maximum value can achieve only if I take maximum of all 3 and minimum of all 1. So 1 3 gives us what? The maximum value for any subarray, because that's the widest difference now. I'll take minimum of all, maximum of all. My minimum of all is what? 1, and maximum of all is what? 3. So difference between these will be 2, maximum minus minimum. So similarly, I can replicate it 2 times. Just multiply it with what? K. So it's kind of greedy algorithm. So let's consider another a test case. So this is what my another test case is. So what is minimum? 1. What is maximum? 5. So 5 minus 4, that's the widest difference I can between any two number, because this is how we are creating the value max of LR comma min of LR, and I need to maximize this value. This value can only be maximized if min is minimized and max is maximized. So I'll get the minimum, I'll get the maximum. So 5 minus 1 will be 4 into 3, 12. So this is how I'll get my answer. So I think it's 12. Yeah. So let's write the algorithm. Let's say if I'm given with int num comma int k. So what I'll do? I'll do nothing. I'll do just max first initial take long, because why we are taking long? To avoid the integer flow. Since my number is what? 10 raised to the power 9, and k is what? 10 raised to the power 5. So 9 into 5 will be what? Integer overflow. So log min will be what? Initialize it with the nums 0 or maximum, whatever you want. Long max will be what? Let's keep first number. Now for int I nums, I'll do what? Minimize your min. Min will be what? Math dot min comma I. Similarly, I'll do what? Max will be maximized. Math dot max comma I. Once it is done, I'll do what? Return your answer. Return max minus min into what? K. That's how I'll get my answer. So time complexity will be what? Big of n. Space complexity will be what? Big of 1. So this algorithm comes under greedy algorithm. So let's implement this solution. So what I'll do? Just create long min equal to nums 0. Long max will be equal to what? globalMax will be equal to nums1, nums0 only, or you can initialize it with minimum value int min for int I nums. Now minimize your min equal to what? Math dot min comma what? I. Similarly maximize your I, max comma I. Once it is done, I'll do what? Return max minus min into k. So that's all. It's very simple problem. All you just need is some thought process behind this problem. So let's submit this. Implementation is very easier. Now it got submitted. So time complexity is big of n, space complexity is big. Oh, sorry, time complexity is big of n, and space complexity is what? Because we are just using one for loop. Space complexity will be what? Big of 1. So that's all. Thank you very much. And if you guys have any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section. And like, that's all from my side. Thank you guys. Bye bye.